Oh, look at the Tiffany. Hi, Blue. Sunday night is Burman night. On my bed, that's Miss Tiffany Francesca. Tiffany Blue Francesca. And right here is Mr. Romeo. Gele. Lepiu. He's 13 years old. And Tiffany is 1 year old. Burmans have the bluest eyes, and they have the cutest personality. We call Tiffany a Burmeranian because she's part Burman and part Pomeranian. She's seen too many Pomeranian videos, and she kind of acts like a dog. She plays fetch, and she bites, and she chews. And she's a wild thing. Tiffany Francesca. Tiffy bellissima. Tiffany. Sacre bleu. Look at that plume. Okay.